In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in videos. If you're looking to collect feedback, email signups, or quick polls right where people watch, the easiest approach is to place your Typeform on the same web page as your video, either directly in the layout or as a pop-up that appears over the page. Start by logging into your Typeform account and opening the form you want to feature. Give it a quick check to make sure the questions are concise and mobile-friendly, since viewers have limited attention during a video. Next, head to the Share panel and choose Embed in a web page. This is where you decide how the form should appear around your video. Standard places the form in line so it can sit above, below, or beside the player depending on your page layout. Full page takes over the entire page, which is great for campaigns that drive viewers to a dedicated experience. Pop-up opens your form in a modal window when triggered by a button or automatically after a delay. Slider peeks in from the side or bottom, a subtle option that won't cover the whole screen while the video plays. Configure the design settings to match your brand and viewing experience. Adjust colors, corner styles, and button labels, and consider enabling options like auto open after a certain time or hiding the header for a cleaner look. Keep contrast high so the form is readable over background elements. When you're happy with the preview, click View Code. Make sure the dropdown is set to the correct embed type for your platform, such as General Embed or a WordPress Ready snippet if you're using that. Copy the entire HTML code exactly as provided. Now paste that code on the website that hosts your video. For inline embeds, place it in the section where you want the form to appear, typically just below the video player or in a sidebar column. For pop-ups and sliders, you usually paste the snippet once anywhere in the page content or template. In WordPress, add it to a custom HTML block. In site builders, drop it into a code widget. If you manage raw HTML, placing it near the video markup or before the closing body tag works well. Save, publish, and preview your page. Play the video and confirm the Typeform behaves as expected on both desktop and mobile. That's it, you've embedded Typeform into your video experience.